Hi everyone, I am so excited about my new Feekaa air fryer oven. I absolutely love cooking and this tool is going to make it so easy to cook healthy, delicious meals. It comes with so many different accessories so you can cook in a bunch of different ways. It actually has 7 different cooking methods and I'm going to tell you all about all of them. Here is just a quick picture on the box. I'm gonna go ahead and open up the box and see what's inside, test it out, and tell you how it works. All right, so I got the air fryer out of the box. Everything was wrapped really well, nicely in plastic wrap and also styrofoam. And you can see how great of a design this is. It is such a nice, sleek design with these copper knobs and the black. It just looks really good. It's gonna look great in your kitchen. And you can see all the different features that it has. So this is an 1800 watt air fryer. So that means it can get up to 464 degrees and it has all these different features. So it has 7 different methods of cooking. So you can air fry, you can broil, warm, you can just bake. You can use the rotisserie, which I'm going to tell you about. You can use convection bake, which is where the air all flows around. And you can also just toast if you want to. So you can adjust the temperature if you'd like. So just turn the knob. You can see right here, the knob has a little dial right there. They all do, so you can see exactly what setting it's on. And it's in Celsius and Fahrenheit. And then there's the timer as well. So you can always set a timer, and the second it's done cooking, it's going to go off, and you don't have to worry about the oven being on all the time. There's also a toast function, so anyone who likes to toast can use this really easily. So it's not just an air fryer, it's also just a mini oven. It's so convenient. And guess what else? It is 21 quarts, so you can fit a lot inside there. You could fit a whole chicken on that rotisserie. You can fit a lot. You're not gonna ever need to have extra space. All these slots right here, you can put another tray, another tray, another tray, cook tons of food at once. Get those healthy meals going. So it also came with a bunch of accessories. So this is just part of the rotisserie right here that was inside the box. It has a nice baking tray, so you can put that right inside the rack. It has a cookie sheet right here with those lipped edges. I love when pans have these edges because you don't have to worry about anything spilling out. It also came with a user manual, which I'll show you in a minute. A few other informational packets. It has, this is the air fryer basket. So air frying is going to help you cook healthy meals, and all you need to do is toss food in a tiny bit of oil, put it in this air fryer basket, and it will come out crispy just like it was deep fried, but with a fraction of the oil. So here are the other parts for that rotisserie that I was talking about. You can put chicken, you can roast a whole turkey for Thanksgiving, and this is going to spin it, make it crispy all the way around. So it does come with a warranty card right here and also a little mini cookbook. So if you're wondering what you should make first, you can take a look. There's some fantastic pictures, mouth-watering Christmas roast chicken, just all these delicious things that you could make. It also has a whole user manual complete with pictures, tells you about the parts, tells you about cooking temperatures, everything you need, has color images, so any kind of question you might have is going to be answered in here. So now I am going to plug it in and do what I've been waiting for, test it out and see how this amazing Feekaa air fryer works. So I have the air fryer plugged in, and to turn it on, you actually just have to set the timer. So you can just turn this knob, get all your settings set up. So if you want air fry, you choose your temperature, and then to turn the machine on, you're going to turn the dial to the time you want. And you can see the light goes on the inside. You can hear the ticking time. You can hear the machine on. And right now I have it set to air fry. So if I was to air fry something, I would want to use the air fry basket. And that is this piece right here. So instead of having the rack on the inside of the oven, so I have the rack in right now, and that rack actually, before I talk about air fry, the rack is perfect for the toast function up here. So if you wanted to toast, you're gonna use this rack. If you wanted to bake, convection bake, you would use the rack. And if you want a regular bake or warm. So everything for that will use this rack, and you can move it up or down depending on where you'd like it. And this baking tray can also be used for all of those things. So that you can use that rack for toast. You can use this baking tray, will slide right in there. And if you wanted to cook anything on this tray, you can use that too. So all those functions will work with the rack or with the baking tray. But if you're going to air fry, you're gonna wanna use just the air fry basket. So you can take this rack out because it's really important when you're air frying that the air be able to circulate all around your food. So you wanna use this rack and then see how it's perforated? The air is going to flow completely around and blow all around and evenly crisp your foods. So this rack is really important to use for the air fry function. So if you wanted to do a rotisserie function, you're going to snap the rotisserie poles into these parts right on the side here. So this is where the one end is going to go and the other side is going to go over here, and that is going to be the rotisserie. Again, the air is going to go all around in the rotisserie function as the chicken or whatever you're cooking on the rotisserie spins and rotates. So all those different options, so easy to use though. Again, all I needed to do was just set the timer dial and you can hear it clicking. You can hear it on. Right now it's just on the bake function. So for bake, just these bottom heater elements are going to heat up rather than circulate air. It's just going to heat up the bottom. If we switched it to, let's say, toast, for example, light goes off when it's on toast function. And for toast, you also need to set one of these dials depending on how dark or light you would like your toast. So you can hear it clicking away. It's very, very warm right now. It's only been on for a minute and I can already feel that cool heat. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to cook something and show you how it comes out. So I just put in some pieces of eggplant parmesan to crisp up. You can see they're getting nice and golden brown. They look beautiful, and I use the air fry function. So I was using the air fryer basket. Look at those pretty pieces. It was so easy to use. Again, this is a great little snack, a fast way to make something healthy. You don't have to deep fry. You're gonna get crispy, delicious foods. And this 7-in-1 machine that has all these different options is just amazing. So I hope you guys found this helpful, and I would definitely recommend giving this Feekaa air fryer a try. Thanks.